could oversee the conceptualization of that concept. In many times, we have delegations that is coming out of India, but predominantly, as most of the investors here in UAE and also a lot of NRI investors here, the question that is being asked is that what is that one specific project or a large specific project that we could be part of? And I think so, if we are able to address that, I see there is no dearth of investment that would flow from here to India. Another major obstacle that we face in India is the amount of paperwork that is required today. A recent study stated that we need around 40 to 70 licensing to actually operate a hotel property out of India. While you could learn from the examples that you have here in UAE, that the whole process is so simplified that it gives an easy access to investors to actually take up a hotel project and actually see that come through. The purpose of the SPP that I recently spoke about could also be a huge factor in easing the project for the international investors. One of the formalities that needs to be completed, it could be easier for the government to approach private players who could further enhance prospective locations and that could either lease such land or go for an open bidding process. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, today technology is slowly taking ways into many aspects of life. The recent report from the World Economic Forum, advances in artificial intelligence and robotics that are powering new way of automation. While machine matching are outperforming the need of humans, I strongly feel that hospitality is one sector that would still require a human touch to make things happen. Hence, a lot of priority has to be given to this one particular sector. Aimed at these changing times, it could be noted that the travel and tourism sector, being a service-oriented sector, will keep contributing to the growth of jobs, investment, and development of every economy that keeps it on its heart. As an integral part of the vast growing industry, our company, the 2014 Holdings, is committed in integrating sustainable projects across the boundaries and geography that we operate in. Before I give the floor to our distinguished